Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you through Querix Package Manager with graphic user interface. As you can see, QPM has 3 setup types, and here is the list of components to be installed. The runtime server type selects its own set of components. In custom style, a user can select the components to be installed on his own. We will proceed with development system. Besides, the graphic user interface has the toolbar with the help of which you can reset the application to initial state, clean up redundant or orphaned files, and choose preferences like installation path, repository, and branch. Once all desired features have been defined, we click Proceed button. That leads us to license agreement. Read it carefully. Then press Accept and Install button. Installation process has begun. As you can see, installation is successfully completed, and you can see the current version of your application. You can also see the installed version of each component. Now let us see how to update Lycia. We start Querix Package Manager. Now we see the installed versions of each component and the versions available for update. In this case, the Proceed button is active, and we just click it. Update process has started. And now a message informing that the update is successful has appeared on the screen. You can check the current version of the application and its components. Now, let us try to uninstall the application. Just unmark the components and they are ready for removal. Then press Proceed button. Confirm your action. And finally, a message announcing that Lycia has been successfully uninstalled appears on the screen. You can see that no components are installed. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching.